Welcome to Tech Assembler. So friends, this is a very good news, and for those who want to prepare for the JavaScript interviews or to learn the JavaScript concepts in deep, so we are making a new tutorial, and let me walk through the courses, the content which we are covering in this tutorial. So let's begin. Okay, JavaScript introduction. So first question definitely arises in your mind that why we should learn JavaScript, or we have other languages also for the front-end development or the back-end development. So why JavaScript? So I have collected few facts that it is used 94.5% all over the website. Plus, it is a client side as well as the server side programming language. So that means you can develop the front end as well as the back end, and you could be a full stack developer if you want. And plus it also helps to create native apps for iOS and Android plus desktop applications. JavaScript is very easy to learn for beginners, plus we can create the visual effects for eye-catching animations and easily. So we have few libraries or the frameworks associated with it, like these all frameworks are developed in JavaScript. Plus uh, we are using it in many of the websites like Angular. So Angular is developed by Google, and then the other sign is of React.js, or you can say the React Native. So it is again developed by very most popular Facebook, and which is used by Facebook in each and everywhere. And we have other Ember plus Node.js, and Node.js is for the backend development, so you can use Node.js for the backend development. And all these framework uses the JavaScript as their base. So it's very important to learn JavaScript concepts before proceeding to these frameworks. And these are the contents of the course which we will be going to present before you, and we'll definitely cover all these in detail, plus interview perspective questions, so it helps you to crack interview plus to clear your doubts, and we'll deep dive in each and every topics. It's just not all I have jotted down over here, we have many more topics. So the next, we just basically we focus on interview questions or the interview based tricks which we apply over it. So thanks, and stay tuned with us to learn JavaScript, and please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.